Most people think AI side hustles are saturated. That assumption is already outdated. What if the real opportunity just started? What if beginners still have an unfair advantage today? And what if you're looking at the wrong ideas? Some of these hustles require zero coding skills. Some can start within hours, not weeks. And one of them scales without clients. Pay attention, because most people miss the leverage. Stay with this, because the last idea flips everything. Let's break the first opportunity. AI content repurposing is exploding right now. Businesses produce content but waste most of it. You turn one piece into multiple formats. Take a podcast and create short videos. Turn blog posts into LinkedIn threads. Convert webinars into email sequences. Use AI tools to speed the process. Clients care about distribution, not creation. This is where you position yourself. Start with small creators and local brands. Offer a simple monthly package. Use Descript for editing and transcription. Use Opus Clip for short-form content. Focus on speed and consistency. Second, AI-powered lead generation services. Every business wants more leads. Few understand how to automate it. You build simple systems using AI. Scrape prospects and personalize outreach. Generate tailored emails at scale. Use Clay for prospecting. Combine it with Instantly. Your edge is personalization, not volume. Offer performance-based pricing if confident. Third, AI website audit services. Most websites lose money silently. You identify leaks using AI tools. Analyze speed, SEO, and conversion issues. Create simple reports with clear fixes. Use Screaming Frog for audits. Use Surfer SEO for recommendations. Package insights into actionable steps. Businesses pay for clarity, not complexity. Fourth, AI faceless YouTube channels. Content demand is endless. Production is now automated. You research topics using AI. Generate scripts and voiceovers. Create videos without showing your face. Use Pictory. Use 11 Labs. Monetize through ads and affiliates. Consistency beats perfection here. Fifth, AI resume and LinkedIn optimization. Job seekers struggle with positioning. You use AI to rewrite their profiles. Highlight achievements with better wording. Optimize for recruiter keywords. Use Teal. Offer tiered packages for different levels. Target college grads and career switchers. Sixth, AI-driven e-commerce product research. Finding winning products is hard. AI simplifies trend analysis. Scan marketplaces for rising demand. Validate ideas using data signals. Use Sell the Trend. Use Helium 10. Launch microstores quickly. Focus on testing, not perfection. Seventh, AI newsletter businesses. Email is still powerful, but writing consistently is difficult. AI helps generate weekly content. Curate insights in a niche. Monetize through sponsorships. Use Beehive. Use Sparkloop. Pick a focused audience. Consistency builds authority over time. Eighth, AI-powered course creation. People want to learn faster. You package knowledge into structured content. Use AI to outline and script lessons. Create slides and voiceovers efficiently. Sell on platforms or independently. Use Synthesia. Focus on practical outcomes. Avoid overloading content. Ninth, AI social media management. Small businesses struggle with consistency. You automate content planning and posting. Generate captions and visuals quickly. Analyze engagement patterns. Use Metricool. Use Okoya. Offer monthly retainers. Position as growth partner, not poster. Quick pause for a second. If this breakdown is useful, follow the channel. Turn on notifications to catch future strategies. Because the next shifts happen fast. Let's move to the final idea. 10th, AI automation consulting. Businesses waste time on repetitive tasks. You identify automation opportunities. Replace manual work with AI workflows. Connect tools using simple integrations. Use Make. Use Zapier. Charge based on value delivered. This scales into high-ticket services. Notice a pattern across all ideas. You're not selling AI tools. You're selling outcomes. Speed, efficiency, and results. That's what clients pay for. Most people chase tools. Few build systems around them. That's your advantage. Start with one idea, not all 10. Validate quickly with real users. Iterate based on feedback. Then expand your offer. The barrier to entry is low. But execution separates winners. You don't need funding. You need focus and consistency. AI reduces time, not effort. Effort still compounds results. Pick a niche with demand. Avoid broad, generic positioning. Specific offers convert better. Package services clearly. Keep pricing simple. Overdeliver early to build trust. Collect testimonials fast. Use them to close bigger deals. Reinvest earnings into better tools. Improve efficiency over time. Don't chase every new trend. Focus on fundamentals. Distribution matters more than creation. Attention drives revenue. Learn basic sales skills. That multiplies everything else. Track your numbers. Optimize based on data. Avoid emotional decisions. Think like a business owner, not just a freelancer. Build assets, not tasks. Assets generate recurring income. Tasks keep you stuck. Every idea here can become an asset, if structured correctly. The tools links are given in the description. Use them to get started quickly. But tools alone won't make money. Execution will. Start small but think long-term. Stack skills over time. Combine AI with human insight. That's where real leverage lies. Most people quit too early. Stay longer than the average. You'll already be ahead. The next wave of AI is coming. Those prepared will capture it. Those distracted will miss it. Choose your side carefully. And build something that compounds. If you want more deep breakdowns like this, make sure you're subscribed. Enable alerts so you don't miss updates. New strategies drop every week. Stay ahead, not behind. Your future income depends on it. Start today, not someday. Because delay is the real cost. And opportunity doesn't wait.